How to add a navigation menu in Lovable. To do that, first head over to lovable.dev, and then from in there, if you actually see this chat right here, it's actually the Lovable AI. Using this, you can actually create a website, and on default, any website or any page that you create already have a navigation menu. Let me show you in here an example. For example, let's choose right here this. You can see in here the preview of that site as well as your chat right here with Lovable. You can see that we already have in here this navigation menu for the dashboard as well as getting started. But for this case, let's ask them to actually input multi-page navigation menu. I asked them to add a navigation menu with specific fonts and specific colors. You can just send that right here to the Lovable AI chat. This will think and then this will add the navigation menu right here into this part. So it's actually up to you if you want to use Navigable AI chat, or you can also use code by clicking onto this GitHub option right here and editing this using your VS Code. You can see in here what index it's editing for that part. And as you can see, you can just click on show all right here and edit that particular index yourself if you don't want to use the AI right here. So just wait for this to actually edit everything, and this should be able to show you the new navigation menu that you're looking for. So right now it's loading, and here it is right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.